Okay, so we are going to do some of this. Okay, and then mommy will take a printout and you can do it on your own and write the answers here. So let's do this one together. A couple of these questions. So we want to do this one here. Oops. Okay. So green is not my favorite color. Let's do this one. Okay. So we want to do this one first. Okay. We want to do this one first. Okay. We are doing question number 1. Okay. Let's see what can be done here. So, okay. So we have got 3, 4 upon 10. One question here is that, is it mixed number or improper fraction? And the answer is that this is mixed number. And why is it mixed number? Because it has got one part which is whole number and another part which is a fraction. Okay, anyway, so this is a mixed number. Okay, in fact, this entire you would see this entire sheet is basically called convert mixed numbers. Look at this, convert mixed numbers, right, to improper fractions. That's what this sheet is all about. Okay. All right, so coming back to the question here, we have got 3, 4 upon 10. Now, we know that we need to get to 10. So the question is, how can we write 3? Right? And 3 can be written as what upon 10? So 3 can be written as 30 upon 10. Okay, so 3 can be written as 30 upon 10. Why? Because 10 times 3 will give you 30. Right? Sure. Okay, so we've got 30 upon 10. So we have done that for 3, and then we have got 4 upon 10 here. So we write 4 upon 10, and then we sum it up. And because now 10 is common denominator, we write 10 at the bottom here, and we write 30 plus 4, which we know is equal to 34, and then 10 comes at the bottom. Okay, so the answer to this one then, which you would write, is 34 upon 10. Now if you notice, 10 is actually a improper fraction. Okay, so let's do one more, and then I will let you do everything on your own. Okay, so again, 3 1 upon 3 is, as we know, is mixed number, right? So now the question is, how do we make this boy 3 here as something that is divided by 3? So I ask myself this question: what multiplied by this number 3, what multiplied by 3 will give me 9? And we know the answer is 3. Okay, so basically we get 3 at the bottom. We get 3 at the bottom here, and we get 9. So this is the same as this 3 whole number here, and plus we have got this 1 upon 3. So we write 1 upon 3, and then because now 3 is the common denominator, we write 3 here, and we go 9 plus 1, right, which gives us 10. So basically the answer, and you should always write the answer very clearly, is 10 upon 3. Okay, so I've done 2 questions for you. Mummy is now going to give you the printout, and if the printer is not available, then to be honest, right, you don't need a printer. You can just put this on the screen and you can just see how it looks like. But this, and you should be able to do this particular sheet. Now the interesting part, right, is that you can do the same thing the other way around. Okay, and let's pick up one of these questions, because realistically speaking, it is just the opposite. Okay, so improper fractions to mixed numbers this time around. How do we do this one? Let's see. First of all, we know that 10 upon 3 is, it's improper fraction. Okay, so now the game is that, remember, we are doing the opposite of what we just did, right? So everything has to be with numerator 3. So we kind of ask ourselves that starting from 3, what is the farthest that we can go to get 10? So 3 times 1 is 3, right? So let's say 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 4 is 12. Now, we need to reach to 10, right? So 10 lies between 9 and 12. So it means that we can go 3 times 3 and we will get 9. Okay, so let's just do that. I'm going to clear this up for you. Right? And we say that we can go okay, 9 upon 3, and then what remains, okay, to reach to 10 is 1. Okay, and we know that 9 upon 3 is actually equal to 3. So 3 comes in, and then this 1 upon 3 comes in here. Okay, so the answer to this one, okay, 10 upon 3, it's, and this is mixed number. Sounds good? Okay. I'm going to do one more, and then I will leave you to do the rest again by yourself. So let's just start from here. Now, we've got 7 upon 2. So 7 upon 2 is a improper fraction. We both agree to that. Okay, now we start thinking, how far can we multiply 2 so that we stay below 7? Okay, I think mommy is calling. Hey Sarah, I will send you the video in like 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'm just about done. Actually 5 minutes or so, and then you need to take a printout. Okay, bye. Okay, beta. So coming back, so you've got improper fraction, and so yeah, so we start with 2. So let's say 2 times 1 will give you 2. 2 times 2 gives you 4. 2 times 3 gives you 6, and 2 times 4 gives you 8. So now you can see that 7 sits between 6 and 8. So the farthest that we can go is actually 2 times 3. Okay, so let's now get rid of this and say that we are going to write this as 6 plus 1 upon 2. 2, right? Remember 6 plus 1 is 7, which is same as 6 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. And we know that this one here actually, okay, is equal to 3. So 3, 1 upon 2. And how do we get 3? 2 times 3 will give you 6. Okay, so basically the improper, so 7 upon 2 is same as 3, 1 upon 2. Okay, and this is a mixed number. Okay, so now I'm going to send this to your mom, but basically we first need to do fractions worksheet, and I will actually I'll actually put, but this is the first one you need to do, this is the second one you need to do. Once you are done with these two, you can take a printout. Okay, you can take a printout and you can share with me, because then you're actually ready to do this particular page. So this page has got a few more things into it, but we don't need to rush into it really. We first need to get 2 of these right. Okay beta, so I'll wait for your submission. Lots of love. Bye.